Animation is one of the most creative fields out in the industry, and at the same time, it is also a very prominent field with a very promising future as well. So, as long as we are willing to take this industry as seriously as we take all the other industries, like being an architect or an engineer, uh, I think animation has the potential of not only providing the financial stability, but also a creative satisfaction that one needs from a job. So, as long as we are willing to take it seriously, I think it is a wonderful field that anyone and everyone should think of becoming a part of. The collaboration between Toonz and NSHM to create this very unique incubation lab is going to be very beneficial for not only putting NSHM on a national, making it recognized at a national level, but also giving it a credibility to produce industry ready artists. And this initiative is very important to make sure that students, apart from what they are being taught during their normal course, they are also being taught things that will they require, or things and skills that they'll be required to actually step out in the industry, and this will definitely give them an upper hand compared to all the other colleges and compared to all the other students that come out in this industry. So I think this is just a start of a very um, prominent collaboration that will lead to some really good students coming out in the anime.